Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We do have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills with the full M Performance kit on this vehicle, including the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we do have the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. And we also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So we take a look now at the interior. Having a look at the back first, you find that we have the full black leather interior. We have the M Sport style seatbelts, fixed ISO points back here. We do have the ambient lighting and the electric windows on the doors. Again at the front, the same full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them. If you just take a seat inside, you find the multifunctional steering wheel in front of us with the paddle shifters on either side, speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side, digital dashboard just there. We do also have the main screen just here in the centre. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle starts up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, other than letting us know about the low fuel range. So we do have the sat-nav navigation, we have the shortcuts just down here. Press onto the media, you find the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We also have the different drive modes. So we have the Sport drive mode, we have the hybrid, electric and also adaptive. We have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And if you put the car into reverse, then you'll find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park. Moving further down, we have the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning, and also the heated seats as well on each side, as you can see, working as they should do. Automatic gearbox, you've got the different drive mode buttons, electric handbrake and also the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.